When it comes to maintaining your vehicle's braking system, you want a product that offers durability, performance, and easy installation. ACDelco Rear Drum Brakes are engineered to meet the highest standards, ensuring reliable braking power for your Chevy Silverado 1500, 2008 to 2013, or GMC Sierra 1500, 2008 to 2013. These brake drums are manufactured with quality-validated metallurgy and precise brake plate thickness to ensure consistent performance throughout their life. One of the standout features of these drum brakes is the non-directional brake surface finish, which ensures smooth and consistent braking with every press of the pedal. This design eliminates the risk of brake noise and ensures optimal performance without sacrificing quality. Additionally, each brake shoe is machined for the correct shoe-to-drum contact, providing better friction and improving overall braking efficiency. ACDelco's commitment to quality is evident in every detail of these rear drum brakes. With the highest shear strength, the bond integrity of these parts is second to none. Contour or cam ground construction eliminates chatter and rear wheel lockup, which makes driving safer and more comfortable. These drum brakes are also designed for an easy installation process, with many users reporting that the installation is hassle-free, though they recommend buying the parking brake assembly kit separately for the best fitment. These ACDelco rear drum brakes are backed by General Motors and are a solid choice for your Silverado or Sierra. ACDelco maintenance and repair parts undergo rigorous testing to meet GM's high standards, ensuring that your vehicle can go the distance without compromising performance or safety. If you're looking for reliable, high-quality rear drum brakes that offer both great value and dependable performance, ACDelco is your go-to brand. Click the link in the description to purchase and ensure your braking system stays in top condition. Don't forget to subscribe for more automotive product recommendations and tips.